Andiyan lang yung nakakalat-kalat kulay black.
Okay.
Bala ka na dyan. Iputin mo na yan. Hindi na naman kasi nagtanggal. Ichi, you should have a talk with the rooster. What will I tell to the rooster? Should I say, keep your mouth shut? Or else, you're gonna be in the frying pan or in the casserole. You choose. Be quiet or be quiet in the casserole. Itchy food. It's itchy toenail. Oh. Oh. Ate. Ang dami. Itchy talaga. Yeah, food. What did I say? Food. Oh my goodness. It's foot. Yeah, itchy foot. Toenail. One nail. Not two nail. It's one nail. My goodness. It's itchy talaga. Oh my goodness. Yes, be quiet or get cookies. Be quiet or careful, do not inudot. Oh my goodness, my toe. Ay, you don't want to be quiet, ha?